Are you struggling to retain customers, identify a risk account, or scale your customer success efforts? Managing customers' relationship doesn't have to be overwhelming. Welcome to ChurnZero, the ultimate platform for driving customer success and reducing churn. In this step-by-step guide video, by the way, it's an introduction video. I will walk you through how to use ChurnZero. I will give you information about this, about customer health, automate engagement, analyze data, and build a stronger relationship with your customers. Right, so before we get started, let's break down what's make ChurnZero stand out. So according to them, ChurnZero is a powerful customer success platform designed to help business retain customers and drive growth. Here's what it offers. So let me show you. Very first is a customer health score, which help you to track customers' engagement and satisfaction to identify as a risk account. There's automated workflows. You can trigger actions like email or alerts based on customers' behavior. You can personalize interaction with tailors messaging campaigns. You can analyze key metrics like churn rate, product usage, and customers' lifetime value. And these are cloud based and accessible from any device. That is what I really like. As well as there's a seamless integration with tools like Salesforce, HubSpot, and Slack. There's a real time visibility into customers' activity and trends. Right, so to get started, you have to just go to the churnzero.com and request a demo. Now, why a demo? Because without a demo, you can do anything. And first of all, enter your email address and just go and click on a request a demo. Once you enter your email, you can schedule whenever you want the demo. So one of from ChurnZero will get in contact with you and they will help you to show each and everything, right? And this is really useful. And this is how you can, they will just give you a quick introduction about each and everything. And they will give you account. Once you're satisfied with, you can just buy it. And they will give you email address, right? You can obviously it will be your email address. They will help you to create an account by using Google or Microsoft account, and automatically you will get a password and you can integrate your system. So you can connect ChurnZero to your CRM, billing system, or other tools to sync customer data. The dashboard gives you access to the key features like health score, workflows, and engagements and report. You can import existing customer data to create detailed profile for each account. The setup process is very straightforward even for beginners and ensure you are ready to start tracking your customer success metrics right away. So the setup process is very straightforward even for beginners, and once you have an account, just go and click on login. You can use a Microsoft or Google or username or password and click on login. So that's become really usable, right? Now one of ChurnZero's standout feature is its ability to track customers' health score. There's an option given of health score. You can just go there and you can view individual and account level scores. You can set up scoring rules based on factors like product usage, support, tickets, and payment history. You can use color coded indicators to quickly spot account that need attention. You can reach out at a risk customers with personalized message or offers to re-engage them. So these tools ensure you are proactively addressing issues before they lead to churn. Right, now there's a one more feature. So you can see here, obviously it's a time of AI and there's a so much advancement. And you can see here, this is a video, right? And it's a AI, it's a AI character, whatever you can say, from customer support of ChurnZero, and it looks so realistic. Obviously in the coming days they're going to improve it a lot, and this is one of the feature you will get it, right? And automation is the key to scaling your customers success efforts. Now you can start a new workflow. So you can, there's a tab called workflow, and inside the workflow you will get a lot of options, right? And you can define trigger point just like Zapier, a trigger point based on a customer behavior such as a low product usage or missed payment, and select actions like sending an email, assigning a task to a CSM, or notifying to the team by Slack. So you can preview the workflow to ensure its functions are intended before activating them. So these tools help you to engage customers at the right time with minimal manual effort. Now, personalization is a critical for building strong customer base, and that is what the best thing is here. Now, there's a tab called Engagement tab section and design campaigns for specific segmentations. You can use dynamic variables like customer's name, account details, or recent activities to personalize content. You can monitor open rates, CTRs, that is a click-through rates, and response to measure campaigns effectiveness. You can use surveys and feedbacks form to understand customer need and pain points. So these tools ensure your interactions are relevant, timely, and very impactful. And there's a one more option which is ChurnZero provide powerful reporting tool. You can churn rate and retention trends. You can track this up product adaptations and usage patterns. That is a CLV, that is a customer lifetime value, right? You can use this insights. And there you have it, a complete step-by-step guide to use ChurnZero to drive customer success and reduce churn. Whether you're tracking health scores, automating workflows, or analyzing performance, ChurnZero has a tool to help you succeed. Thanks for watching this video.